Hello, my fellas. Today, we're reacting to Stranger Danger Puppet Show by White Stag Education. I'll make it known right now, I do not like puppets. They're no. I've been scared of puppets since like forever. I think my fears started from them. From this little show called Little Einsteins, and the puppets on there were absolutely horrid. You know, they were something. Anyways, we're gonna be reacting to this. Let's get to it. White Stag Education. It's a little deer. My apologies, guys. My eye is still irritating with the stag. Forest Friends, Stranger Danger Special. Created by Luke Bale and Dan Sevi. I already don't like this.
Hi! I didn't see you there.
I already hate this.
I'm Rex. What's your name?
I'm not telling you, buddy. Look at the picture in the behind. This guy's tweaking out.
Nice to meet you. I can't wait to tell all the other forest friends about you. My new friend. Say,
Not your
would
friend,
you like
buddy.
to come camping with us?
No.
You would? Great! There's gonna be lots of fun activities, like hiking and fishing, and you'll even get to meet
pummeling you through the
Ranger
ground,
Luke.
burning you.
Oh no! That reminds me. I have
Guys,
to get
there's
packed.
a crying
I'll be
angel
right back.
statue on the table
Alright, I don't need
next to
this.
a picture of a kid.
This could be useful, but
Wonder who that
no.
is.
This doesn't seem good to go camping with. I don't really like this thing. Oh, bananas are weird.
Don't like the kitty.
Oh.
There's a Tom and Jerry scream.
Rex, it's me, Anna!
Anna?
Huh? Where's Rex? Wait, who are you? I've never met you before.
All right,
never
I'm
will.
ready to go camping. Oh, hey, Anna.
Why does she look so terrible?
Meet my new friend.
Sorry, guys, it just gleeked.
New friend? Rex, how do you know they're not a stranger?
Well,
Exactly.
I don't know. Maybe they are a stranger. But how can we know for sure?
Let's go ask Ranger Luke. He knows everything about stranger danger.
You're
Ranger
right.
Luke.
Come on, let's go camping.
Hey, she like turned all the way around. She whipped her hair in her face. Oh, look at these woods. There's not even leaves. It's just straight bark. Look at this guy.
Ranger Luke,
Man,
Rex and I are
where can I
here.
hide all these kids' butts?
Hey guys,
Hi,
Ranger
Ranger
Luke.
Oh shit,
Luke.
they're right there. Oh shit. Let me put my
you guys are just
Journal.
in time to set up camp.
Anna and I have a very important question.
Alrighty, Rex. What is
Sorry
it?
guys,
I met
My allergies
someone
are, like,
new today,
yeah, right now.
and they seem really nice and great, but I don't know if they're a stranger or
freak
not.
away from me, buddy.
Well, they certainly don't look like a stranger to me. Hi,
I'm a stranger, buddy.
I'm Ranger Luke.
Better watch yourself.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Yay! What a relief!
Yeah, I'm so glad that I found an honest and true friend like you, and not a stranger.
Bitch, I haven't
Say,
said a word.
Do you guys remember the ways
Talking
to spot
about.
a stranger?
Well,
Not really.
That's alright. We'll learn together with our new friend.
yay!
Yay!
No. This guy without a banjo. I'm dead. It's honestly fire though. I want to play the banjo.
That story from way back when. If you can't recall, let me tell it again. This is the story of Little Red. Went to visit
Oh
Granny
my
who was
gosh.
sick in her bed.
Little Red Riding Hood.
She stayed focused while walking the trails. She checked every place.
Ew, why does it look like this?
Detail. Stranger Tell the park
Park
ranger,
ranger,
stranger danger. Don't trust the big bad wolf. Into the
They look so
woods and
lifeless.
through the trees. Red stuck to her path, nothing else to see. The sun was going down and she was almost there.
Ooh.
She heard the birds sing, but there were none in the air. She stayed quiet, not making a
What was
sound.
singing
She
then?
was on the wrong path, so she turned around.
Little Red, what are you doing?
Danger, when they are around, tell the park ranger, stranger danger. Don't trust the big bad wolf. Little Red arrived with her basket of bread. There was no sweet granny lying sick in her bed. It was too late, Granny locked the
What?
door. Red saw her face, it wasn't her.
Oh!
Trust the big bad
What's
wolf.
that?
Don't trust the big bad wolf. Don't trust the big bad.
Why does he like not look like he's actually playing it? He's just like. Why does he just look like that? Bro is not playing the banjo. Oh wow, a pigeon. Guys, it is not enjoyable walking through somewhere like that. I was walking through something like that. The sticks are wiping my ankles dry, dude. They're whipping them. And there was like little water spiders. And I was just like, ah. Yeah, it was nice.
Come on in.
My apologies, guys. Look at these chumps.
This hike is so much fun, Gleason.
Yo, close your mouth.
I agree, Oswald.
Listen.
But I'm exhausted from all this walking. Exhausted from all this walking.
You don't even have any legs.
Do you know where
You don't
we
have any
are?
legs. What are you talking about?
The oldest tree in the forest should be coming up soon. Well,
How do you
how
know
do
it's
you
oldest?
know that, Oswald? I
Exactly.
feel
How
like
do you
we've
know
been
that?
walking forever. Well, Gleason, we've been following
He's a
the
little rusty.
trailblazers, so we'll be okay. Oh no, oh no, oh no! We forgot to use a map.
No.
Are we on a false trail?
A false trick.
It's okay. Do you hear the melody?
What the?
That means the strangers aren't hunting. Well, as long as we stand still and
What?
be quiet.
Yo, who are in
We'll
the
be okay.
forest? Who's in the forest? Oh, what's going on?
Hello and welcome
Mr.
to Mr.
Gungus?
Gungus's Game of the Day. Today,
Mr.
we are
Gungus.
going to be playing Spot the Stranger. Come on, let's go.
Okay. Spot the stranger. Oh. Oh, why do they look like that? They look like little waffles. Can you spot the stranger? I don't see him. I don't see a stranger. He's shaking his hand like that. I don't spot it. Whoa, no way. Ooh, that's kind of creepy. And there's like no sound either. Yikes. Crikey. Hello. The what? What is that? The adversary lamenting.
Thank you for playing Mr.
What did that
Gungus's
say?
game.
The burning swords protect us. I don't know what that means.
Thank you for playing Mr. Gungus's game of the day. See you next time.
Thank you, Mr. Gungus. I love you. Ooh, oh, they do have
The sun
feet. Oh my
set.
gosh.
The day is old.
No way.
But
We can't rest until our stories are told.
Now's the time of the night where we gather around the campfire and talk about everything we did today. So,
You
Rex
can
and
never
Anna,
catch me in a
what
forest
did you guys
like
do
that.
today?
Oh! Today, we
We're
went
actually at least sitting
fishing.
around a campfire. Like
Yeah,
that. That'd be
it
so
was a
sick.
lot of fun. I caught a whole lot of fish today. I think I caught the most.
You may have caught the most, but I caught the biggest fish.
Yeah, right.
Well, what kinds
Don't
of fish
think I
did you
asked,
find?
pal.
We caught some black-banded sunfish, creek chub suckers, and even
Chub
largemouth
suckers?
bass.
What the fuck is a
We
chub
would have caught
sucker?
more, but we ran out of worms.
Sucks those chubs.
Well, that sounds like a whole lot of fun, even if you did run out of worms.
Yeah, we'll definitely remember to pack more for next time.
Okay, Kermit the Frog.
Gleason and
calm down.
Oswald, what did you guys do today?
We went hiking.
Yeah, the fucking earthquake
Well-
happened and you got killed.
That didn't sound too enthusiastic. Did you guys have fun?
Well,
We were trying to find the oldest tree in the forest, but we got lost.
Let's find
and
your way back.
before we even knew it, it was too late. We heard the strangers whistling.
What did it sound like?
It was a song.
And what did you do?
We stopped, stayed quiet, and when we couldn't hear the song anymore, we turned around.
Great job, Gleason and Oswald. Now,
Who are the strangers?
what would you have done if it wasn't a song they were whistling?
We would have closed our eyes and ran away.
We're gonna run.
Great job!
Eyes closed.
Hooray!
Always remember, strangers have no regard for your well-being. They aren't like us. Do not follow them into the woods, no matter how friendly they look. See you on another episode of
Forest Friends!
You will not see me.
All living
Oh, shit.
things bound by a string. Summer
So they're dead
to
children?
fall, winter to spring. We all sing in chorus the song of the forest till heaven comes.
Not Anna Carpenter, and Oswald, and all them. Rest in peace, bro. Stranger Danger Puppet Show. Wow. Alright, guys, that was Stranger Danger Puppet Show. They do have more videos on the channel, but I think I kind of only click on them because it was a puppet one, and I don't like puppets. I'll see y'all later.